This is the living room. There's Dexter again. We've got our couch and the TV over there, and my phone's dying, I think. The window behind the couch and the front door. And Reese, hi. And then this is Andy's office with the day bed and his gigantic TV monitor. Works really well. We took the door off, so easy access. And then we'll go in through the kitchen. Dogs are pulling stuff off. This is our sink and our stove right across from the sink, and the refrigerator. All of our extra food and dog stuff's over there in the corner. And then we've got Alicia's table. It fits really well in here. And then this is the downstairs bathroom, Andy and Alicia's bathroom. It's really big. Sorry about the light. There's a lot of storage in the back there. And then just, you know, normal bathroom stuff. And then we'll go into... Come here, Reese, leave the cat alone. Andy and Alicia's room, where Sadie lives. Poor kitty. We're alone. Our bed fit really well in here, so that was really good. We got a big long closet mirror, and the dressers in here. And then we'll go upstairs.